Lakhipur Thangta Academy, Lakhipur Kuman, Assam today observed the 120th birth anniversary of Sinta Puril RK Sanahal at the Cultural Hall, Lakhipur Kuman Iputhau Khongnang. Lakhipur Thangta Academy President Ngariyambam Ashwin Kumar and students of the academy attended the function. Staffs of Kakching Range, Palil, Waikong, Wangu Lamkai and Punjab Forest jointly launched a drive during which 5 bird traps were recovered in 6 major lakes in Kakching district. Range Forest Officer Kakching Naurem Munal Meitei said ecology has been threatened due poaching of migratory birds. Lamjingbatomtv, a social worker, today laid the foundation stone of a waiting shed at Khaidem Lekai under Katrigao constituency. Lamjingbatomtv also distributed street lamps to the residents. India has reported 45,576 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. The total caseload now stands at 89,58,483. Media reports say the country's death toll has mounted to 1,31,618. Government of Manipur has announced a cash reward of ₹20 lakh to 50 officials and personnel of Thoubal District Police. According to a press release by the Joint Secretary Home, Rehanuddin Chowdhury, the cash reward was announced in recognition of the seizure of 435.945 kg of brown sugar and 438 liters of morphinated liquid on October 29 last. Meanwhile, the state government had also announced a cash reward of ₹10 lakh to 44 officials and personnel of Bishnupur District Police. The award is being given to them for their accomplishment in seizing 74 kg of brown sugar. An encounter broke out at the Bantol Plaza in Jammu's Nagrota, where security forces laid a checkpoint upon receiving information about suspected terrorists hiding at the location, where 4 terrorists have been gunned down in the encounter this morning. According to reports, the gunfight went on for several hours while the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway was closed by the security forces. Myanmar authorities have pulled off a large haul of narcotic drugs worth over 1.8 billion kyat, over $1.3 million in 2 townships of Shan State, according to a release from the Central Committee for Drug Abuse Control (CCDAC). According to the report, the anti-narcotic police made a seizure at Nyongkyo in Kyaomei district. A total of 14.3 kg of heroin and 16,000 stimulants were confiscated from a car along with 2 suspects. This is one of the biggest drug seizures in Myanmar this year.